Google Docs TTS versus ElevenLabs, same script, different soundscapes, Docs wins. Convert entire documents to natural speech in seconds, no uploads required. Side-by-side waveforms show Docs is faster with lower latency and cleaner peaks. Google's built-in voices deliver smooth prosody, realistic pauses, and better pacing. Adjust voice, speed, emphasis, and preview instantly, all inside the Docs UI. Put before and after, basic robotic TTS, then Google's natural playback, listen closely. Select text, open tools, choose text-to-speech, then paste or use document content. Toggle rate and voice, hit preview, adjust on the fly, captions update live. ElevenLabs requires uploads, extra tuning sliders, and more waiting time overall. Play both clips back-to-back, notice clarity, natural rises, and cleaner consonants. Faster exports, native privacy controls, captions, and built-in accessibility, all advantages. Try Google Docs built-in text-to-speech now and convert your writing into natural speech.